Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today we're just going out on a short adventure. Finally got some nice weather today after all the rain and wind, so that's pretty awesome. Just at one of the grocery stores here on my way out of town. Unfortunately, they didn't have much for lunch, so I'm gonna go see what I can find and we'll head out to the day use spot. Stay tuned and we're gonna have a fun day. Well, I wasn't planning on stopping for fast food, but it was right there, so it's a nice little treat. Anyway, we are gonna head out and see where the day takes us. Alright, we just got here on location. I see a nice little picnic-y table up there on the hill that I think I'm gonna go eat my burger, and then we will see what comes next. So today we're at the Cooking Lake-Blackfoot Provincial Recreation Area here in Alberta. We are at the Islet Lake Staging Area. This is a really nice little lake here that people like to kayak and canoe on, which we will probably be doing some of later. There's endless amount of trails in this area, and we're gonna go explore some of them today and take in the beautiful spring-ish, summer-ish weather we got today. Right on, we are suited up and ready to go for a hike. Well, as you can see, there is a significant amount of trail systems in this area. We are currently down here at the bottom. I don't know how far we'll go today, but go check out some of these trails and see where we end up. This area east of Edmonton is largely made up of what we call pothole lakes. And basically what that means is there's a large area of scattered depressions, meaning there's a lot of ups and downs on these trails, lots of hills. It really makes for beautiful scenery. One second you're down in kind of a lower area, and the next you're up on a hill and you can overlook over a little lake. So super nice, super important for biodiversity, and very interesting to walk around in. Here's a good example of a pothole lake like I was discussing before. Just came up off a big hill up here, and next thing you know, we're down at another little lake. So I decided to splurge and pay for geocaching premium since I'm out doing a lot more adventures this summer. And there just so happens to be one just up at the side of the trail here. So we're gonna go see if we can't find that. Awesome, we found that one. I'm not gonna show where it was just in case anybody else comes looking for it. And there's a couple more along this trail, so maybe we'll see if we can't find those as well. Just found another little geocache around this area here. It's kind of an intersection of trails. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sorry, I'm probably making you dizzy. That's the one we just came from. And we're just continuing on straight up there. So here we are at the Push Lake Shelter. Just a little shelter along the trail, which is just over here. It's got its own little fire pit picnicky area here. So that's pretty cool. Oh, look at that. We even got firewood. Nice. I think this is more used in the winter. There's a road access over here. And I think it's like a cross-country ski shelter. But what a nice little spot to stop. There's the road, it looks like, coming in. Can't get over how beautiful this weather is. Found another geocache way out here in the woods. Definitely need to do some bushwhacking to find that guy. But I am right in the middle of nowhere, I guess you could say. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. Here we are up at Farley's Outlook. Just enjoying the shade and the shelter there. It's definitely a warm afternoon. But what a nice little spot to stop for a break. Very quiet up here in the back. I haven't seen so many people around. Yeah, nice little spot. Well, I'm making a fairly similar meal tonight to the one that I made at the last camping trip because I had leftover noodles from that trip. And this meal pretty much cost me like $2 to buy the material, so that's pretty impressive. This can of pizza sauce was $1. I know it's not pasta sauce, but it's pretty darn close, so we're gonna run with it. And the mushrooms were $1.04 or something, so yeah. Pretty much $2 to make this. We've got a mushroom pasta for tonight. Well, that's looking pretty good. After that long hike, I definitely am looking forward to that meal. So I'm gonna go chow down on that, and we will be back shortly. Well, I think it's about time to go do some kayaking. Safety first. I'm gonna use a different camera than I normally use because it's waterproof. I don't know how good the video quality will be on it, but this will be kind of a test run. And we'll see how that goes. So, down to the lake we go. Thanks everybody for tuning into today's installment. It was a good day out here at Islet Lake. Got some hiking in, finally got out on the kayak, and yeah, the weather was really cooperative, so very enjoyable day. I'm gonna head home now, and we'll see what the next adventure is going to be. So thanks again for checking this one out, and we'll see you next time.